Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 3 ways to make easy money from crypto. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar so I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. How to passively make money with cryptocurrency with little work and risk. What if I told you there are ways to make passive income with little risk from crypto? In this video, we will look at 3 different ways to do that. 1. Cashback on the Crypto.com Visa card. The Crypto.com Visa card is one way to make money with crypto. Sign up for a Crypto.com account and then apply for one of the 5 cards that are available. Each card tier has extra benefits, but all cards have the following. That is no cost, get money back on purchases, and add money or cryptocurrency. The cashback is what will give you cryptocurrency. For example, the Midnight Blue card costs nothing and gives you $10 worth of CRO tokens for every $1,000 you spend on it. Then, these tokens can be traded for regular money or just saved up. 2. Brave browser rewards. With the Brave browser, you can get paid to use the internet. This is how it works. So by default, Brave has an ad blocker built in that block ads that are built right into websites. These ads make money by selling products and keeping track of what users do. Brave turns this model on its head by letting users choose whether or not they want to see ads, and by giving users a share of the money made from the ads they have seen. Also, Brave ads don't show up on the browser page, but in a pop-up window that doesn't get in the way. Even though the rewards aren't very big, I've made about $50 in the last 6 months just by browsing the web as I normally do. That's enough to buy a few cups of coffee. 3. Stablecoin interest. How much interest do you get on your savings accounts right now? If you are lucky, you may get 0.06%. What if I told you that you could get a 10% annual percentage yield on your savings by just turning your money into its crypto equivalent? This is different from buying Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies whose prices go up and down. Stablecoins get their name because they are tied to a real currency like the dollar or the pound. So if you buy $1,000 worth of USDC, wait 6 months and then sell it, you would get exactly $1,000 back without any interest. But if you use Nexo, you can earn 10% interest on your money. Let's compare this to putting away $10,000 in a traditional bank account. So in a traditional bank, at 0.06% annual percentage yield for 5 years, $10,000 will earn $30 in interest. On Nexo, 10,000 US dollars at 10% for 5 years equals 6,486 US dollars in interest. That's more than 200 times as much interest. And you don't have to worry about your money going down in value if the market crashes. There are many ways to make passive income from cryptocurrencies without taking the risk that comes with buying Bitcoin. At the very least, we should make sure that our savings earn the right amount of interest. A bank shouldn't give all its profits to shareholders instead of its customers. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. but you must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description box to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to also like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.